Okay, we're recording. Anything you say may show up on the internet. So if you are concerned about your voice being on the internet, I don't know, come write your question on the board or something, okay? So first off, I'm a Mac person, and so Mac has its own set of things, and I'm not, but I grew up on Linux, and so I like to invoke stuff like this, and in particular, if I do it like this bypasses all the stuff where it's like on the toolbar, and I can actually pass flags to visit to use it as a command line tool. So I'm going to do this -CLI, and if I do CLI and no-win, I've started up visit, and you see actually nothing happened. You can see it's running there, but there's no window, there's no nothing. And I can type commands, and it will do it, and it will save it, and I'll never see it on the screen. Okay? That's one mode. And if I have a script, so here's my script. Actually, let me work my way up to that. I'm going to take off the no-win mode. And so now we can see a visualization window, okay? So when I do stuff, we'll see it in that window. And I can say open database, dbreak 3D fluid.visit. And it did. And unfortunately, I don't know what the variable names are. So there's a variety of ways to solve this. I think I can say get metadata. Nope. Get metadata for dbreak 3D fluid.visit. And I can find out the names of the variable names. So it looks like there is a scalar called prgh. Okay? So I can say add plot, pseudo color, and draw plots, and now we've got something, okay? And then if I wanted to, I could have big for loops and so on. So I'm now going to take this and turn it into a script. Here we go. Here's my script. Open, you know what? I'm gonna get a second window going because I can't remember the things I just typed. Go to the 410 class, go to movies. Looks like I didn't put all the dbreaks stuff in the movies directory. And then, so many variables. Sorry, I know it's very jarring. It's fine to be the person who's in control of the panning around, but it's not fine to be the watcher. So my first script, .py, open database, add plot, pseudo color of, what was the name of it? prgh, draw plots, and then I can do this for I in range 5, time slider, set state, I, save window. Okay, so now I have a script. Here's my script. And when I invoke visit, I'm going to CLI. If I want, I can say no win. If I don't want to see it, if I do want to see it, leave it on. -S, source a script, my, oops, thank you. -S, my first script.py. It is animating forward in time. It didn't do much, okay? And if I go here and I say import sys and sys.exit because it's Python, then I'm exited. So let me go back to my first script and do that. Okay. So if we look in the file system, we now have 5 images, okay? So we're starting to get to a point like I can write a Python script, and if I could figure out how to direct visit, I could save a bunch of images. And again, I can invoke it with this. And let me just put that in here. on my Mac, I invoke this as, okay? Okay, so this is our kind of getting started movie. I'm going to stop this and restart it. You know, if I swear or something, I'll not want to post this. So we have a success. Let's bank the success.